is Wakalele Hashim, and I'm going to demonstrate how to promote Windows Server machine to a controller, to a domain controller using Active Directory. I'm going to open it. So I'm going to start the machine. It must be learning. So I'm going to refresh. Here is my AWS account. It has started running. Now I'm going to connect it. I'm going to open RDP and connect to my VM. So I'm going to download the remote file. So I'm going to open it. Now I am connecting to my Windows Server virtual machine using a remote desktop protocol. So I'm going to change here to my account which I created, to my server which is Ensign. Ensign administrator. So I have already generated the password, so there's no need for me to go back and then compute for the password. The password I kept it here, it's already here. So I'm going to copy it, then I paste it, then I'm now logging in using the domain administrator account for the Ensign. It's loading. I'm logging in using a domain administrator account for the Ensign domain. It's taking long. Maybe it's network. It's still taking long. Okay, it's still loading. It's coming. It's coming. It has too long. What is happening? Okay, I'm now going to open my server manager. So I'm going to the taskbar, then I'm typing server manager. Then it has come. Then I click on server manager. This server manager is where Active Directory domain services I have installed and configured it from. So I'm going to come to the manager, add roles. Okay, still loading. I don't know, the problem with the network. It has come. So I'm going here, add features. I want to show you my server roles. It's here. Active Directory domain services. here my Active Directory domain services is installed. I installed it well on this server, which allows it to function as a domain controller. Now that one is done. Now I'm going to DDoS to show you Active Directory users and computers. It's still loading. Now this is Ensign. This is the domain I created and I named it ensign.corp, confirming that the server has been promoted successful. This one shows that the server has been promoted successful. Now this one's done. Now I'm going to the search bar. Then I'm going to type task manager. It has already come. Task manager. In the task manager, in the task manager, I'm going to come on users. Now here I was expecting to see Ensign/administrator. But this is a GUI verification showing that I am logged in as a domain administrator account. Now to show the proof, I think I should use command. So let me open command prompt. Will it work? Window R. I have pressed window R. It has come. Am I on the right track? No, I'm not on the right track. Let me just type it here in the search bar. It's here. Let me use this one. The other one was for the local computer. So this is a virtual computer and this is what I wanted. So I'm going to type whoami to see. It's Ensign administrator. This command line where my cursor point is, it confirms or verificates that I am authenticated as the domain administrator. Promoting the server, promoting the server to a domain controller enables centralized management of users, computers, authentications, and security policies within the network. Now this completes my demonstration of promoting my Windows Server VM to a domain controller and verifying domain administrator login.